A leopard stalks and then chases a mother monkey holding her baby. The leopard successfully captures the baby monkey and runs off with it in its mouth. As the leopard is running, it is confronted by a baby elephant. The leopard climbs a tree to escape the elephant, still holding the baby monkey. The baby monkey manages to escape from the leopard's grasp and climbs down the tree. The baby elephant then helps the monkey onto its back and they run away together with the leopard in pursuit. A larger adult elephant appears and charges at the leopard, causing it to flee. The adult elephant and the baby elephant, with the monkey still on its back, are then seen together. Finally, the adult elephant lifts the baby monkey with its trunk and returns it to its family in the trees.